Greetings and salutations, you guys. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today at the city, in the city of Santa Ana at the Goodwill Marketplace, and I'm super excited to take you guys into the store. This is actually the largest Goodwill in Orange County. I believe it's the flagship store as well. There's 3 stores here: the regular Goodwill, there's an outlet, and there's the Computer Works store, which is one of the coolest stores ever. If you guys haven't been here and have the chance to, you guys totally should. It's like one of my favorite places. Tell them Hadrian sent you. But first of all, if you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, and vlogs, do not forget to subscribe with the little bell button so you're notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram. It's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop. It's Hadrian.com to see what I have for sale for my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's in store and go check it out. I think we're gonna go to the Computer Works store first. I'm trying to look at the stuff that people are donating. There's some interesting looking stuff over there. Alright, up first, Computer Works. So this is the entrance for the Computer Works store. The regular store, you actually go around the corner. Ooh, they have Apple Watch bands. One of the old white MacBooks, only 80 bucks. Hadrian here. I just wanted to hop on really quick and let you guys know that I'm doing a early Black Friday sale. So everything in the shop is going to be 30% off, and that is going to run until November 9th. Let's check out the printers. We also have a bunch of TVs hanging out down here. I'm always hoping they're going to have like a Cricut, however it's pronounced, back here. Tons of keyboards. Alright, there wasn't really anything in the computer store, so we're gonna go around the corner. There's the regular store right there, but the entrance is all the way around. Alright, here's the regular store. Oh. Ooh, look at all this stuff in here. Little champion visor, Minnie Mouse, Rebecca Minkoff's cell phone thing. There's a Michael Kors bag in there. Alright, handbag time. Do you see anything interesting? This is that fake Coach bag. I remember seeing it last time I was here. This looks like a Banana Republic. Oh, it is. It looks just like a Celine, to be honest. I used to have one of these. $8.99. There's this a 9 West. Kenneth Cole. Hey, look at Kipling Laptop Bag. Woo. $8.90. Oh my gosh. We have a jumper. It's $8.99. Oh, look at this. Little Michael Kors. $8.99 also. How's the oh, it's torn right there. I was gonna say if the inside's not bad, we can like re-dye it, but it's torn and that's too much. This is feels like a fake Tory Burch for sure. So, fake Tory Burch. What's this? Nothing. This tooth bag has been here for a while too. All these shoes. Of course, that's what I look at. I think these are all Target shoes though. They have a bunch of these Mickey Mouse sippy cups. A bunch of carpets. Time out. Are these really like gold? I feel like a rose gold chair with a quilted cushion. Oh, that is so cute. They're $60 a piece. Ooh, those are pretty. Peony. I wonder how much this mirror is. It's only slightly damaged on the side right here. It's a computer store. Ooh, rainbows. Pretty. I'm looking through the glass and the crystal stuff. Looking for anything Tiffany's. Any cool cups? These are kind of cute. Anthropology. Shut the front door. And there's like 3 of them. I think we're gonna get them. I love Anthropology Mugs. I hope they're all doing pretty good. 2. Here's the 3rd one. Pretty, I like the color combo. I'm looking for more of these cups or maybe like a matching something or other. Would be nice as well. Ooh, rainbowy. Sorry, excuse me. Oh my gosh, look at this giant diamond paperweight. I think I need this. I'm looking through the dinner plates. Nothing's really jumping out at me yet. They're kind of fun. I'm like over here holding these. Hoping that I don't drop anything. But still searching for anything interesting. Again, I apologize for the music, it's pretty loud. There's all sorts of lamps, crock pots, little hanging chairs. Look at that chair. Hey guys, I am back at the house and I want to show you guys what I ended up getting from the thrift, and I'm super duper excited. It's actually a couple days later. But okay, so we went to the Goodwill in Santa Ana, the Goodwill Marketplace. I love that place so much. The only downside to that store is that so many people go there. Like, so many people. It's like one of the, probably the high, like the Goodwills with the most traffic. And it's probably because it does have the Goodwill Marketplace, which is the Goodwill outlet. And then it also has the computer store. So it's just like a lot of people go there. And I think it's also the flagship store for all of Orange County. So that's why so many people go there. It's also like one of the it's the largest store too in Orange County, so a lot of people go there to go shopping. So you kind of have to like, if you guys ever go there, I suggest going early and maybe even going like maybe like in the middle of the week when it's like not too crazy. Weekends are super fun, but again, go early. I never go early to that store because it's always like kind of like in the middle of my thrifting day, because I have like a little route that I take when I go to these stores, and like by the time I get there, I always feel like it's super picked over and it's crazy. Anyway, I did manage to get a couple really great things. Actually, let me show you guys this first of all. I got this at the when I was in line. I saw this, and it is a shoe like cleaner or like whitener for it's for like white shoes, and like it like helps them to like get cleaner and turn white again or something. So I have no clue how it actually works, and I really want to try it out and see. Like I want to see if it's kind of like a shoe polish, or if it has like a dye, if it has like pigment in it, or I wanted to see if it's more like a cleaner or like something like that kind of like bleaches the leather and makes it white again. You know, like when white leather, sometimes it gets kind of like a yellowy cast or starts discoloring. Like I want to see if this lightens it up. So I don't know. It was $1.99 at the Goodwill. I've seen these at like they sell these at Target and Walmart, and I think like at like pharmacies and stuff. And they're usually like more. I want to say they're about like $5 or $6. Maybe even more. So I thought I'd try it for $2. Thought that would be cool. Next thing I got, I don't know why I'm attracted to these paperweights so much, like these little crystal ones. I used to have like a, oh my gosh, I didn't even notice. This is a Rosenthal crystal. It has the little thing right here. I actually have this one as well. Now I want to see if it says Rosenthal. No, it doesn't. I just got like this orange one, so now I have like the white one, like the clear one as well. They look pretty similar. This one is heavier and bigger, but this is a Rosenthal Crystal paperweight. I wonder how much these actually go for. Rosenthal stuff is actually pretty expensive. I feel like do they normally make plates only? Rosenthal Crystal paper weight. We're looking it up together because I am really super duper curious. Okay, I found it. There's 2 listings on eBay, one for $50 and one for $45 right now. There, I don't know if is it gonna come up? Yeah, you see those top 2 listings right there? That's cool. I picked this guy up. How much was it? $3. Oh, how exciting! Rosenthal. I actually have is this Rosenthal? Ah, yeah. I actually have this Versace plate that I have sitting on my table right here, and it's actually made by Rosenthal. If you can see it right there on the back. So yeah, very cool. Rosenthal Crystal. Ooh, I'm gonna put them together like this. Bougie. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. I'm so excited. I didn't know that it was Rosenthal. I didn't even remember like really looking at the store. I remember I had another really cool crystal paperweight, and I think it was yellow, and Eliza accidentally dropped it. And like the kids are really, really good at like not breaking things. Like I don't even remember the last thing really that they might have broken other than that crystal paperweight. But it's totally cool. It was an accident. Like he was holding it, and then like I think he accidentally dropped it, and then it like broke. But that's like totally cool. It's alright, Eliza. Then the next thing I have is actually a set of these 3 really pretty Anthropology mugs. I love these mugs so much. I wanted to show you when it's not dirty on the inside, because it's like, it's not really gross, it's kind of just like dusty. But I really love like the kind of like floral print along the outside. And then I love like that it's carried on into the inside. think it's so pretty. Yeah. I'm trying to see like what. Yeah, they were just like. Yeah, I don't even know if these were used because they still have like the stickers on the bottom, made in China, dishwasher, and microwave safe. Oh, that's good to know. I can put these in both the dishwasher and the microwave, which is always a plus for me. So that is actually going to end today's video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out today. It's always a blast taking you guys to the store and sharing what I find with all of you. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys have found recently because I always love hearing about your finds as well. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Tune in tomorrow for a new video at 7 a.m. and I'll see you guys all then. Alright, bye!